Hello, let us start with the exercise 3.2, the fifth problem. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with the measure of each exterior angle as 22 degrees? Now, this exterior angle, we know if we take any type of a figure, the exterior angle and the interior angle. This is exterior and this is interior angles. The exterior angle along with the interior angle, the exterior angle along with the interior angle, they form 180. Now we know that total exterior angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Now if I want to get the number of sides, I should be able to divide 360 by 22 and I should get a whole number. If I don't get a whole number, that means that it is not possible to divide. So I should be able to get the whole number. Let us try 22, 360, 22 ones are 22, 14 and this is, so 22 into 6, let us see, 2 6 are 12, 2 carries 1, 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13, so 6 are 132. You can see still remainder is 8. That means this number 22 is not divisible by 360. You cannot divide the whole number if you don't get a whole number. Here you can see this is a remainder. So this remainder, when there is there, it should be, you should get a 0. That remainder is there. That means the answer for that, no, 22 is not a factor. 22 is not a factor of 360. So, or you can say, also you can say 360 is not divisible by 22. So that is the answer. We'll go on to the next problem. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? And if it is possible, why? Now we know that if there is an exterior angle, so this is an exterior angle. If this is an exterior angle, this will be the interior angle. So exterior angle and interior angle will form a linear pair. Now can it be it means 22. Can it be an interior angle? What happens is exterior angle plus interior angle will be equal to 180. They form a linear pair. So if this 22 we take it as interior angle, exterior angle plus 22 is 180. So if I take this exterior angle, will be equal to 180 minus 22. We get 158. And this 158 I should be able to divide it by I should divide and get a whole number. That is, can we divide? That is 360 upon 158. And if we are able to divide and get a number, let us just divide this. 158 360 into 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10 plus 11, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. So it is 316. So 2s are. So still some number remains. Something is remaining here, 544. So here there is remainder. That means this number you don't get not a whole number. You get a number, but it is not a whole number. It will be a fraction. That is, so 158 2s are. So it is not a whole number. Therefore, we can say no, because if a polygon has internal or angle 22, then its external angle will be equal to 158, and 158 is not divisible by is not the divisor, is not a divisor of 360. So it is not divisor of 360. What is the minimum interior angle possible in a regular polygon? So the smallest, you can say, the polygon that is possible is with the 3 sides. So these are 3 sides. So if all the 3 sides are equal, we call that polygon as equilateral triangle. Now, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? So if the regular polygon is there, that is the internal angle will be, that is the triangle, it will be 60, this will be 60, and this will be 60, as it is an equilateral triangle. So we can say equilateral triangle being a regular polygon of 3 sides, of sides 3, has a least measure of interior angles equal to 60 degrees. So the least angle, that is interior angle, will be 60 for an equilateral triangle. So what is the minimum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? We have seen the triangle, equilateral triangle. If this is 60, then the exterior angle will be 120 degrees. The internal angle, if it is 60, external angle will be 120 by A. That is the answer given up. We can see the greatest external angle of a regular polygon is 120 degrees. So that's all with today's problems. I hope you have liked today's problems and understood. We'll meet back with a new problem in the next video. Thank you.